right, let's see here.
They're not planes and they're not flames.
Yeah, look at those. Huh.
Can you get them on your camera?
I do have them on my camera. They're all moving together.
So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's turn the video sideways, get all of them. Look at that guy. Well. I seriously doubt they're all planes.
There's 9 of them.
Well. What do you mean, are they changing shape? Let's zoom in on one of them.
That's 10 of them. That one that just appeared there, there's 10 of them.
What was that?
They are not blinking, they are glowing. And they're getting brighter and then dimmer and brighter.
There's a bug really close to the lens moving really quickly, but...
And then they disappeared. The first few just disappeared.
You're correct. They're gone. What?
And now the rest of them are disappearing.
What? I'm watching that one disappear.
Dude, we're uploading this tonight. And now the rest of them are gone. Except, oh, there's 2 more. Oh my God.
Where at?
Over here.
Oh, I see it.
Where they came from, babe.
Filming all of it. Yeah. Huh.
And they're not over here. They're not like above us.
Well. Let's see how long that takes to...
So they disappear?
Oh, you can see a plane going nearby.
Oh, I see it with the red and green, or at least red blinking.
Yeah.